Hi, Miss Pearl Ann Mendoza. Can you tell me about yourself?
I'm Pearl Ann de la Cruz Mendoza from Giron Poblacion, Sablayan Occidental, Mindoro, 35, and I'm single.
Do you have kids?
I have 4 kids, 1 girl and 3 boys.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 3 siblings and I am the youngest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I'm high school graduate. I cannot study college because my parents cannot afford the tuition.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, but I have experience in local. I become a babysitter from January 2020 to December 2023.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, kind, trustworthy, God-fearing, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no,
Why do you want to work abroad?
to earn money, to provide my children needs.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No,
Can you give us your idea on how would you handle a naughty child or children with tantrums?
I will hug them and I will play with them.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa.
What is your message to your future employer?
If you hire me, I will do my best and I will willing to learn and I am a hard worker. Thank you.